Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can open browser on your Panasonic TV. So first of all, on our remote control we have to click on the apps button. Right now we have to open the web browser. As you can see, in my case it appears on the right upper corner. Now just be patient and wait a little bit. Okay, and right now we can navigate with our arrows on the remote control. If you want to input the address, just go for it with your mouse cursor, click OK, and here you can find the keyboard where you want to input the address. If you want to close this browser, click on the back button on your remote control twice. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.